Hi, hello, welcome to Home School. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session we are going to discuss about one of the model question paper which is released by the KSEEB board, that is Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board 2020-21. As you all know that in this COVID situations, some of the chapters were deleted for class 10, and other than those chapters, this model paper was there. So what are the four chapters? Let us see first. See here, areas related to circles, real numbers, polynomials, and probability. These four chapters were deleted, and other than these four chapters, you are going to have this question paper. Question paper contains 38 questions. And in that first main, multiple choice questions, each of 1 mark. You need to choose one option. With the option, you need to write the answer. Like that, you have 8 questions, each carry 1 mark. 8 into 1 will be 8. And next main, sentence, answer in one sentence. Whatever the question it is, you can answer in one sentence. Each will be carrying 1 mark, and like that, 8 questions will be there. 8 into 1, 8. Third main, 2 mark questions will be there. Like that, 8 questions will be there. Each question carries 2 mark. 8 twos are 16 marks. Fourth main, 3 mark questions will be there. In that, 9 questions you need to answer. 9 threes are 27 marks. Next main, 4 mark questions will be there. There are 4 questions which you need to answer. 4 fours are 16 marks. And your last main will be only one question, which is 5 marks question. 5 into 1 will be 5 marks. Total 80 marks. As you know, 80 marks is the external mark, and you will be having 20 internal marks. 80 plus 20, it will be 100 marks. External 80 marks, internal 20 marks. Total mathematics, how many marks? 100 marks you are going to gain in this year. So this is your 80 marks question paper, model paper 1, and you will be having time 3 hours 15 minutes. Subject mathematics, and your subject code is 81E, maximum marks 80 marks. In this first page, there are some instructions which are given for the students. Okay, you can read these instructions carefully. And then let me move to the second page. That means first main. First main, choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter or alphabet. You can see the alphabets, right? So whichever option you feel it is correct, along with the letter what it is, you write that one also. That means suppose your first answer is C. C minus 3 you need to take. Okay. Along with the options, you need to write the answer. Most of the children will forget this and they just write only minus 3 or the number or a value they will write. Please don't do that. Let's start quickly our first main multiple choice questions. Our first problem. If the pair of linear equations x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y is equal to k are coincide, then the value of k is. Though it is a multiple choice questions, we need to work a little. That working I'll do here itself. See, these two equations are coincide. Coincide means they are coincident. If they are coincident, what the ratios you remember? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. As you know, these equations we write in standard form and then substitute in this place. Where is K? K is in C2 position. You can compare only these two ratios, or you can take A1 by A2 equal to C1 by C2. Say this, if this 3 comes this side, minus 3, and if this K comes this side, minus K. Substitute the values. B1 value is 2, B2 value is 4 is equal to C1 value is minus 3, C2 value is minus K. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s, 2 2s are 4. Cross multiply. K is equal to 2 into 3, that will be 6. Which option is your answer? Look here. See the option carefully and write near the number 1, first main number 1. Option B, 6 is the right answer. Option B, 6. Write like this. Second one, the nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equal to 4n plus 5. Then the third term is an is equal to 4n plus 5 given, nth term given. They asked us third term. Third term means in n place substitute 3. 4 into 3 plus 5. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5 will be 17. Third term value is 17. Check the option. Yes, it is D, 17. Option D, 17. Third question. If the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus k equal to 0 are equal, then the value of k is. Roots are equal. What do you remember? Immediately delta equal to 0 or discriminant equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Compare this with the standard form of the quadratic equation. A value 1, B value 6, C value k. Substitute 6 whole square minus 4 into A value is 1, C value is k is equal to 0. 6 6 36 minus 4k equal to 0. 36 transpose minus 4k other side. K is equal to 36 by 4. 4 9s are 36. What is k value? K value is 9. See the option. Option A, 9 is your answer. Fourth one. The value of sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degree. Sin 60 into cos 30. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 value is also root 3 by 2. Numerators and denominators multiply. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. 2 2s are 4. Square root will be cancelled. 3 by 4 is your answer. Check the answer. Your option is C. Answer option C, 3 by 4. Fifth one, the distance of the coordinate P4, 3 from x-axis. From x-axis means, let me see graph. Okay, somewhere here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y 1, 2, 3. So this coordinate, let me plot and this will be here. Okay. This is the coordinate 4, 3. Understand properly. 4, 3 point where it is? Here it is. And what is this distance from x-axis? From x-axis, what is the distance means? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 units is the distance. Where is your answer? Your answer is option B, 3 units. Option B, 3 units. Sixth question, a straight line intersecting a circle at 2 points is called. A straight line intersecting a circle at 2 points. What is this line called as? Line intersecting a circle at 2 points. Let me read the options for you. A secant? Yes, it is a secant. And see the next options. Is it a tangent? No. Radius? No. Normal? No. So your option is option A. A secant is your answer. Seventh one. The volume of a cylinder is 300 meter cube. Volume of a cylinder is equal to 300 meter cube. Then the volume of a cone having the same radius, same height. What is volume of a cone, they asked. And cylinder radius and height is equal to cone radius and height. So I can relate the formula. Volume of a cone is nothing but 1/3 the volume of cylinder. I know volume of a cylinder. What is volume of a cylinder? 300 meter cube. 300 by 3. Substitute the 300 as radius and height are equal. You can substitute here. 300s. That it will be 100 meter cube is the volume of a cone. So your option is option D, 100 meter cube is your answer. 7th one. 8th one. The surface area of a sphere is dash and radius given as 7 centimeters. What is surface area of a sphere formula? 4 pi r square. Radius is 7 centimeters. Substitute pi value 22 by 7. 7 radius 2 times. 7 will be cancelled. 4 22s are 88. 88 7s are. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 5, it will be 61. 616 centimeter square. It is area 616 centimeter square is your answer. Check the answer where it is. Option C. 8th one, option C, 616 centimeter square is your answer. With this, we complete first main. Let's start with the second main. Answer the following questions in a sentence each. 9th one, how many solutions have the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0? These two pair of linear equations have how many solutions? Let's check it out by the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Let's see, 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 1s, 3 2s, minus cancel, 9 1s, 9 2. That means all the ratios are equal. If all the ratios are equal, what are the solutions? It will be infinitely many solutions. Therefore, your 9th answer is infinitely many solutions. Infinitely having many solutions. And your 10th one, write the standard form of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation standard form. Everyone know this. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0. Write that where a cannot be equal to 0. 11th one, find the value of tan theta minus cot 90 degree minus theta. Observe here, you can rewrite this complementary angle. Tan theta minus, what is cot 90 degree minus theta? It is tan theta. Tan theta minus tan theta cancel. So you are left with 0. Don't try to write 1 here. Okay, most of the children will try to write 1. Tan theta minus tan theta will be cancelled. Your answer will be 0. 12th one. In the figure, you can see the figure. In the figure, angle B is 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle C. And BC is equal to 10 centimeters. Find the value of tan 45 degree. So, observe here children, why did they give this figure? Let's see once again. Right angle triangle, 90 degrees. These two angles are equal. Immediately what I can say? These two sides are equal. 10 centimeters is equal to 10 centimeters. But what did they say? Angle theta value is 45 degree. Tan 45 is equal to, without using this, directly we can say tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay. With using also same you get. Tan 45 equal to opposite by adjacent. That will be tan 45 value will be 1. 1 is equal to 10 by 10. That is also 1. Okay. Yeah, 12th answer is 1. 13th one. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Okay, let me draw a line segment. A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. What is the midpoint of this line segment? Okay, let me take here. Midpoint, let it be P. What is this midpoint? Do you remember midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Let the midpoint coordinate be x, y, p, x, y. That will be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. 14th problem. Find the median of these scores. 5, 8, 14, 16, 19 and 20. We need to find the median. This is an ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, we need to arrange the numbers in order and the middlemost score is called as the median. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even number you have. So what we need to do? Middle two numbers. What are the middle two numbers? 14, 16. Add these two numbers. 14 plus 16 by 2 you do. Suppose you have odd numbers. Middle number is the median. Here you have even number of numbers. So middle two numbers add here. 16 plus 14 will be 30. 30 by 2. 15 is the median. So therefore, median is equal to 15. 15th one, state-Thales theorem. State-Thales theorem means, Thales theorem is also called as basic proportionality theorem. State, only statement is enough. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. 15th one, write the statement. 16th question. Write the formula to find the curved surface area of the frustum of a cone as shown in the figure. You can see the figure. Frustum of a cone having two radius R1 and R2. Where is L? L is a slant height and H given. They asked us to find the CSA of a frustum of a cone. What is CSA formula? Pi into R1 plus R2 into L. But here they did not give L. Instead of L, we need to write some other thing. What is that? We know L. What is L? L is equal to square root of H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. In the place of L in CSA formula, we need to write this one because they have given only H, R1 and R2. Let's start writing. CSA of frustum of a cone, you start writing pi into R1 plus R2 into L. L, don't write L. Instead of L, you write this one. Into square root of H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square units. Compulsory you should write the unit also. This is curved surface area of a frustum of a cone. Okay, with this we complete your second main. Third main, answer the following questions. You will be having 8 questions in this. See here children, we need to solve little lengthy in examination. I just try to do shortcuts. Okay, you please try to do neatly. As a whole question paper in one video, it is very difficult. So I do shortcut and try to solve. Only final answer what I get, I just write here. When you solve the paper, you can check it out whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay, only to check whether your answer is right or wrong, last number will be given here. Okay, let's start with the 17th one. Find the 25th term. 25th term means 825 of an arithmetic progression 2, 6, 10, 14, so on. Given arithmetic progression, immediately identify A is equal to 2, D is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. A25 means, write this in general form. A plus 25 minus 1 will be 24D. Substitute A and D value, 2 plus 24 into 4. That will be 2 plus 96. Okay. 96 plus 2 will be 98. 25th term is 98. Let me write the final answer here. 825 is equal to 98. 18th question. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Sum of first 20 terms means? Yes, 20 is equal to question mark. And the arithmetic progression is 3, 8, 13, so on using the formula. Yes, A value, identify A, 3, D value 8 minus 3 will be 5. S 20 you need to calculate sum of 20 terms, right? Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is 20, S 20, n value is 20, 20 by 2, 2 into 3 plus 20 minus 1 will be 19, 19 into 5. 2 tens are 10 into 3 twos are 6, 19 fives are 95. 95 plus 6, it will be 101. 101 into 10, 1010. Therefore, sum of 10 terms is equal to 1010. S10 is equal to 1010 is your answer. Or you have OR question in 18th problem. Let us do that also. Find the sum of the first 30 positive integers divisible by 6. Positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You think about 1 to 30. No, not like that. They have given here divisible by 6. What are the numbers which are divisible by 6? 6, 12, 18, so on. First 30 positive integers. I have written the series here. Let me write A is equal to 6, D is equal to 6, S 30. Sum of 30 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Write this carefully. Don't write 1, 2, 3. 6, 12, 18. A is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. S 30. 30 by 2. Formula you remember, right? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 30 by 2 will be 15. 6 2s are 12. 9 6 are 54. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 will be 17. 15 into, add these two, 4 plus 2 will be 6, 7 plus 1, 8, 1. 186 into 15. Let me multiply here, 186 into 15. 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, 43, 5, 9 30, 186 and your answer will be 2790. Sum of 30 positive integers which are divisible by 6 is 2790. So S30 is equal to 2790. 19th problem. Solve 3x plus y is equal to 15. 2x minus y is equal to 5. Solve, they have said, any method you can use. Let me go with the elimination method. Plus y minus y cancel. Add the two equations. 3x plus 2x will be 5x. 15 plus 5 will be 20. X is equal to 4. 5 4s are 20. X is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, substitute in any one of the equation. 2 into 4 minus y is equal to 5. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus y is equal to 5. Whereas y is negative, send this y other side. 8 minus 5 is equal to y. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, solve the equation asked. After solving, you need to write x equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. If you want, you can check the answer whether your answer is right or wrong. Check it here. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3 will be 5. Yes. 20th problem. Solve by using quadratic formula. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Quadratic formula. Before writing formula, you need to compare the equation with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1. Quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus root minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. A value is 1. Minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 into minus 3 will be 9 minus 4 by 2. 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Yes, that's all. So therefore, x is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2, or you need to write two answers, right? Or x is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. 21st problem. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0, and hence write the nature of roots. They asked us to calculate discriminant value, and after getting the value, what is the nature of the roots? Discriminant, immediately we remember delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is equal to, what is b square minus 4ac? Compare this with standard form. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Substitute now. Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 6 6 36, minus into minus plus 36 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 36 minus 24 will be 12. Delta is equal to 12, or you may write it as b square minus 4ac is equal to 12. Is equal to 12 means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, the nature of the roots are distinct real roots. What is the nature of the roots? Distinct real roots. Therefore, 21st one, nature of the roots are distinct real roots. Or question, in this question you have one or question. That is, prove that the quadratic equation x square plus ax minus 4 equal to 0 has distinct real roots. You need to prove this one. What is this? They did not say this is distinct and real roots. They asked us to prove this one. This equation has distinct real roots. Okay, let us check it out. B square minus 4ac, discriminant delta is also you can take, or directly you can take b square minus 4ac. First write here, a value is 1, b value is a, c value is minus 4. Substitute in this, a square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. A square minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 into 1 is 16. A square plus 16 I got. What is this? This is discriminant. If you want, you can take d is equal to or delta equal to any one you can take. So observe here, I don't know a. If I know a, either the discriminant value is less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0, I can say. Suppose, let us think over a value. If I take 0, 0 square is 0, 0 plus 16 will be 16. Then if d equal to 16, then the discriminant will be greater than 0. If you take 1, greater than 0, 2, 4 plus 16 will be 20, greater than 0. Suppose if I take any negative number, minus 1 whole square, 1. If you take negative number also, its whole square will be positive. So this, by seeing this one, you can say discriminant can never be negative. And it is not equal to 0 also. If you take any value in A, any number in A, this discriminant value can never be negative and it cannot be 0. Only one chance it have. What is that? The discriminant b square minus 4ac, or you may say it is greater than 0, or discriminant d is greater than 0 or delta greater than 0 you can say. Therefore, the roots are distinct and real. Therefore, the roots are distinct or real roots. That's it. 22nd question. Find the distance between the coordinate of the points a 2, 3 and b 10, minus 3. Distance between these two coordinates we need to find. Distance formula d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or you can write this x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance d is equal to 10 minus 2 whole square plus of minus 3 whole square. 10 minus 2 will be 8. 8 8s are 64. Minus 3 will be minus 6. Minus 6 whole square is 36. 36 plus 64 will be 100. Square root of 100 will be 10 units. Don't forget to write distance is equal to 10 units. See 23rd problem. Draw a line segment AB. You need to do this properly with your construction tools. Just I do here roughly. Draw a line segment AB. AB. How much? 8 centimeters. I just show roughly now. You need to do properly. And divide it in the ratio 3:2. 3:2 ratio we need to do this. 3:2 means add these two. For a line you need to add the ratio. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Draw a ray which is acute. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Draw 5 arcs and mark it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. From this point use a scale and join this and measure this angle. Measure this angle where you need to divide at 3. So see the point 3. From here draw an arc and measure this angle. From here cut the arc according to the measurement and then try to join. Then this will be in 3:2 ratio. Do this properly. If you want you can see from the link which I add in the description. That is construction chapter I will add. In that first exercise, first problem is line, dividing a line in the form of a ratio. 24th problem. In the given figure, they have given a figure which is right angle at Q. This is theta and this angle is alpha. R 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 13 centimeters, P. Don't be panic with this theta and alpha angle. Don't be panic. If they ask the angle theta, for this adjacent opposite hypotenuse. If they give you alpha, for this angle opposite adjacent hypotenuse. Let's see the question. Find the value of sine theta and also cos alpha. Sine ratio. What is sine theta ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. Your angle is here. For this opposite side is QR. Opposite by hypotenuse PR. QR value is 5. PR value is 13. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 5 by 13. And in this, and cos alpha. Cos alpha you need to calculate. Your angle is at here alpha side. That is at R. Cos alpha. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is cos alpha? Adjacent by hypotenuse. For this alpha, adjacent side is QR, hypotenuse PR. QR value is 5, PR value is 13. Both answers you are getting same answer. Therefore, I'll just write this as a construction, children. You can divide this. And 24th one, sine theta is equal to 5 by 13 and cos alpha is equal to 5 by 13. Okay, with this we are going to complete our third main. Fourth main, answer the following questions. There are 9 questions, each carries 3 marks. 25th problem, the sum of two natural numbers is 9. Okay, let us consider two natural numbers. Sum of two natural numbers x and y are the two natural numbers. Sum is 9. And your next point, the sum of their reciprocal. What are the two numbers x and y? Sum of those two numbers is 9 and their reciprocal sum is equal to 9 by 20. Find the numbers. X is equal to question mark and y is equal to question mark. I just do little shortcut here. Please do an examination properly. Let me take the first equation and rewrite it as x is equal to 9 minus y. Substitute this x value in second equation. 1 by 9 minus y plus 1 by y is equal to 9 by 20. Wherever you have x, write 9 minus y. Now do LCM. Y into 9 minus y by y plus 9 minus y is equal to 9 by 20. I hope you all know this LCM, right? Y into 9 minus y, 9 minus y there, so multiply y up, and here only y there, 9 minus y multiply for this one, then that will be plus y and minus y will be cancelled. 9 by y into 9 minus y is equal to 9 by 20. If you want, you can cancel this one, 9 ones, cancel. If you want, you can cancel and then cross multiply this one. Y into 9 minus y, 20 is equal to y into 9 minus y. That will be 20 is equal to 9y minus y square. Bring these two this side. Y square minus 9y plus 20 equal to 0. 20 into 1, 20. Factorize this one. 4 5s are 20 and you should get minus 9. Minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 5 will be plus 20. Y square minus 4y minus 5y plus 20 equal to 0. Take out y common. Y minus 4 minus 5 common. Y minus 4 equal to 0. That is y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Either y is equal to 4 or 5. Substitute this value. If y is equal to 4, if y is equal to 4, x plus 4 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 4. X is equal to 5. Suppose if y is equal to 5, x plus 5 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 5. X is equal to 4. So observe here. What is x and y value? If x4, y5. If y4, x5. Okay. Therefore, the two numbers are 4 and 5. That is, if x4, y5. y4 means x5. And you have one more OR question in 25th problem. This is your OR question. The perimeter and area of a rectangular playground. Rectangular playground perimeter. Perimeter means 2 times L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 times L plus B is equal to how much? 80 meters given. And area of a rectangle LB is equal to 384 meters square given for us. Find the length and breadth of the rectangular playground. So let me take the equations. 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. Send this to other side. That means L plus B is equal to 40. I can rewrite this as L is equal to 40 minus B. Mark this one first equation. And now next, LB is equal to 384. Now substitute this L value here. 40 minus B into B is equal to 384. Multiply. 40B minus B into B will be B square is equal to 384. I have here B square negative. So let me send other side. B square minus 40B plus 384. 0 equal to you can write. Instead of this 0, here also you can write 0. Now factorize this one. 384. Find the factors. 384 have to find easily. 2 1s, 2 9s, 2 2s. And this one 2 9s are 2 6 3 32. This will be 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2. Like this, if you take LCM, it will be very simple. You need to get 40. 40 means how can I get? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. And here 4 2s you multiply 16. 16 24 will be 16 into 24 will be 384. And I need to get 40, right? 16 plus 24 will be 40. So you can take the factors. 384 factors are 24 and 16. Minus 24 minus 16 will give you minus 40. And if you multiply, you are going to get 384. B square minus 24B minus 16b plus 384 is equal to 0. Take out common, b minus 24. If you take here 16 common, b minus 24 equal to 0. b minus 24 equal to 0 or b minus 16 equal to 0. b is equal to 24 or b is equal to 16 or b is equal to 16. Suppose if I take b24, b24 find L value. If b is equal to 24, L is equal to 40 minus 24. That will be 16. Yes. If b24, L is 16. If b is equal to 16, L is equal to 40 minus 16. That will be 24. Therefore, length, if I take here, length rectangular playground. Suppose, therefore, length is equal to 24 meters and breadth is equal to 16 meters. If length 24, breadth will be 16. If breadth 16, length will be 24 meters. Okay, both you can write. Therefore, 24, 16 are your answers. If length is 24, breadth will be 16. If breadth is 24, length will be 16. 26th problem. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to sin theta plus cot theta. We need to consider either LHS or RHS. I'll consider LHS and try to prove RHS. Rewrite this as sin theta by 1 minus. We know cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Do LCM at the denominator. Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by, do LCM, cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, do this, bring this denominator to the numerator. That means do the reciprocal and multiply for this. That will be sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Same manner, cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now further I cannot do anything. Just think over here. If I able to change this one, then I can do LCM these two. How can I change? Take out negative sign common in this. If you take cos theta minus sin theta, take a negative sign common. Minus, if you take out, this plus cos theta become minus cos theta. Minus sin theta will become plus sin theta. Now what happened here? Sin theta minus cos theta. And now that minus sign you can multiply here. Observe carefully, there is no confusion. Sin theta minus cos theta, and I am taking here denominator negative sign common and then multiply. It becomes minus cos square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Then further what I need to do? I need to do LCM. Both the denominators are same. Sin square theta minus cos square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Now I remember an identity, that is a square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b sin theta plus cos theta into a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta, whole divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, you are left with sin theta plus cos theta. See the RHS? Yes, this is the thing we need to prove. Observe carefully here. Bring the denominators properly to the numerator. How? Do the reciprocal and multiply for the sin theta. And this one also, do the reciprocal and multiply for the cos theta. And when you are doing LCM, here you will struck up See properly and take a negative sign common. That negative sign multiply here. Denominators will be same. Do the LCM. You are going to get the answer. In this 26th question, one more OR question there. Prove that cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta by 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta is equal to cot theta. Just look over here. I think in numerator cos theta is common and in denominator sin theta is common. Take out common. Cos theta, if you take out common, 1 minus 2 cos square theta by sin theta, take out common here, 2 sin square theta minus 1. Now, observe here carefully. Okay, only numerator we are going to change. I remember an identity. What is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. How? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Let us write only that value here. Cos theta into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus sin square theta. Please be careful. You should use bracket here. Otherwise, this sign won't be changed. Sin theta into 2 sin square theta minus 1. Change only numerator, don't touch denominator. Cos theta into 1 minus, remove in brackets, 2 into 1, 2 minus into minus plus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 will be, write the denominator first, 2 sin square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Let me write this as, instead of writing minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta, I rewrite it as 2 sin square theta minus 1. Here you can write or this side you can write. By sin theta into 2 sin square theta minus 1. 2 sin square theta minus 1, 2 sin square theta minus 1 cancel. You are left with cos theta by sin theta. What is cos theta by sin theta? Cot theta. This is only the thing we need to prove. 27th question. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top on bottom of a transmission tower. So look here, this is a building and on top of a building there is a tower. From a point on ground, point is D. Angle of elevation to the top and bottom of a transmission tower fixed at top of 20-meter high building are 60 degree. Top they said first. So it is 60 degree. Bottom of the tower 45 degree. Find the height of the transmission tower is your question. So observe here, what is AB is your question. So I can split this into two right triangles. Yes or no? Right angle building perpendicular. You can see here two right triangles. Just look here carefully. C, D, B. And this angle is 45 degree. And one more big right angle, C, D, and this is A. What is this AC? Let us assume AB as X. Then AC will be 20 plus X. And we know in this triangle, 20 meters. Can you observe these two right triangles in this figure? Yes. So first let me go with the 45 degree angle. What we need? We need opposite and we are going to calculate adjacent now. So which ratio? Tan ratio. That is tan. Write clearly children in right angle triangle B, C, D like this all you write. I just go with the ratio. Tan 45 is equal to 20 by CD. Tan 45 value is 1. 20 by CD. CD value is equal to 20 meters. So I got CD is also equal to 20 meters. Therefore next right triangle, right CD is equal to 20 meter. Now take another ratio. Tan 60 degree. Yeah, theta angle is 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite 20 plus X by 20. This is plus children. I wrote like this. 20 plus X by 20. Tan 60 value is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 20 plus X by 20. Send this side. 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus X. and whereas x is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Take out 20 common. Root 3 minus 1 meters is equal to x. Therefore, what is height of the tower? 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. 28th problem. Find the value of k if the coordinates of the points A 2, minus 2, B minus 4, 2 and C minus 7, k are collinear. Do you remember, children? If they are collinear, where you have seen this problem in coordinate geometry, area of triangle will be equal to 0. Therefore, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Area of triangle ABC formula. It's very easy to remember. Half of x, y minus y. You just write off. Let me say you shortcut how to remember. Is equal to 0. So, start writing 1, 2, 3. Again 2, 3, 1. Again 3, 1, 2. It's very simple to remember. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Okay, write it in an order. That is half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now, write this one x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute half of x1 2 into y2 2 minus k plus x2 value is minus 4. Put it in bracket. Y3 value is k minus of minus 2 plus x3 value is minus 7. Y1 value is minus 2 minus 2. Y2 value is 2. Okay, is equal to 0. Half of 2 into 2, 4 minus 2k and this one minus 4, 4k plus into minus 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 4k. Now again this one minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 8. And here also same manner, plus into minus minus 7 you can write, children. And inside only you have number. So minus 2 will be minus 4. Minus 4 into 7 you can write off. Next step you can multiply this one. Half of 4 minus 4k minus 2k will be minus 6k minus 8 minus into minus plus 7 4s are 28 equal to 0. Half of minus 6k. Look here, 28 minus 8 will be 20. 20 plus 4 will be 24 minus 6k is equal to 0. Take out 2 common. 2 12s are 24 minus 3k is equal to 0 into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. 12 is equal to 3k. 12 minus 3k equal to 0. Minus 3k transpose other side plus 3k. And now k is equal to 12 by 3. That will be 4. Therefore, k is equal to 4. If they are collinear, if the coordinates are collinear, then area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Apply formula and find out what is your k value? 4. Therefore, your answer k is equal to 4. 29th problem. Calculate the mean for the frequency distribution table given below by direct method. Direct method, what we need? They have given class interval frequency. We need to find the score, and your mean formula is summation fi xi by summation fi, or you can say sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Look here, how to get the score? Xi value, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 5 plus 15, 20. 20 by 2 will be 10. 15 plus 25 will be 40. 40 by 2 will be 20. Similarly, 30, 40, 50. Find out sigma fi is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5 will be 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Fi xi, multiply fi xi. 4 tens are 40. 3 20s are 60. 36 are 180. 5 40s are 200. 52 is 100. Now add all this and say summation Fi Xi is equal to 0, 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 2, 4, 5. 580 is your answer. Mean X bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. 580 by 20. 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Therefore, mean X bar is equal to 29 is your answer. You have one more OR question in it. Find the mode of the frequency distribution table given below. Class interval frequency given. Look here, 0 to 10, 7, so on you have the question. How to find mode? Observe highest frequency in the frequency column. See here, which is highest frequency? Yes, this one, right? Try to identify model class. This is your model class, and above one F0, F1, and this one will be F2. Lower limit will be L. H is the class size. Upper limit minus lower limit, that is H is equal to 30 minus 20 will be 10. What is mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value is 20. F1 value is 15 minus F0 9 by 2F1 2 into 15 minus F0 is 9 minus F2 is 11. H into class size is 10. 20 plus 15 minus 9 will be 6 by 15 2s are 30 minus 9 minus 11 will be minus 20 into 10. 20 plus 6 by 10 into 10. 10 cancel, 20 plus 6 will be 26. That is your answer. Therefore, mode is equal to 26. Mode is equal to 26. See 30th problem. The following table gives the production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Draw a more than type ogive for the given data. See here children, in this problem directly they have given production yield in kg per hectare more than or equal to 50. More than column given, and here cumulative frequency. Observe the cumulative frequency carefully. See here the number go on decreasing. Decreasing in more than type ogive, number will be, frequency will be decreased. 100, 98, 90, 78, 54, 16. So we no need of doing anything. Directly take these two columns and draw ogive. Like this. You take a scale on x-axis. You can write production of yield in kg per hectare. Suppose if they have given any limits, class interval if given, you can write their lower limit. Now write down as it is production yield in kg per hectare, and here cumulative frequency. Go with the coordinate. Here you take with 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Okay, take a proper scale x-axis, and here y-axis. You take a scale in such a way you should get up to 100. So let me go with 5, 10, 15, 20 like this, so on. Okay, when you are taking here 50, your scale is compressed, right? You just give a wave. And whereas y-axis, there is no need of any compression. So same manner, scale you need to write here, and your ogive will be in this format. Don't forget to write the coordinates wherever you write. Okay, and directly you can take these two columns and draw ogive, more than type ogive. Put heading there, more than type ogive, and do the scale properly. In graph, do this neatly. 31st one. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. See here, this is a direct theorem which is there in your circles chapter. This theorem directly there in your textbook. You can go and refer in that, or if you need my explanation, I'll provide the link below the description box. Okay. 32nd. 32nd is a construction. Draw a pair of tangents. Understand the problem here. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of having radius 4 centimeters, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 70 degree. What is this? Pair of tangents, inclination we are talking. Understand the problem first. Do a rough figure somewhere. Understand the problem. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle having radius 4 centimeters, and these tangents which are inclined at an angle 70 degree. Write the measure of its length. What is the measure of this tangent's length? How to draw this construction, children? First, draw a circle. What is its radius? 4 centimeters. Draw a circle. And now, tangent's angle is 70. How can I do that? Okay, it's opposite angle. Means this angle you should know. This is a quadrilateral. Opposite angle sum is 180. If this is 70, then this must be how much? 110 degree. Now, take 110 degree here. 110 degree. And now you know the tangents. How to draw tangents. Semicircle, more than half. Draw the tangents. And again semicircle. Draw the tangents. Okay, you are going to get two tangents. PA and PB are the required tangents, and its inclination angle is 70 degree. Then this angle will be 110 degree. Radius is 4 centimeter. Okay. And still one more word they have given. Write the measure of its length. Measure of its length means directly you can measure from P to P or P to A. You using scale you can measure. If they ask you to calculate using formula, you just remember L is equal to L. This is a tangent length. L is equal to D square minus R square. What is D? D is not diameter. Distance from the external point to the center. This is D. D square minus R square. If they give D, you can calculate. It is very easy. Okay. If they give the external point distance to the center, we can find out this formula. Calculate. If they give you calculate, use this formula. If they ask you only write the measure of its length, means using scale measure, and write therefore length of the tangents PA or PB is equal to so and so. Whatever you get, you write there with centimeters. Let's see the last problem in this main. 33rd. A right circular metallic cone of height 20 centimeter and base radius 5 centimeter is melted and recast into a solid sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. So we are talking here about the volume, I think. Yes? Melted and recasted means we are talking about volume. Volume of which solid? Volume of right circular cone and volume of a sphere. What is its formula? Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of a solid sphere. That will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. See here, this radius we know, height we know, and we don't know sphere radius. Let us substitute. Instead of substituting, I can cancel. 3 will be cancelled. Pi will be cancelled. And this r is different, this r is different. So let me write it as r1, r2. r1, r2. r1 square, we know this radius, 5 5s are 25 into height 20 centimeters, 20 is equal to 4 r2 cube. Okay. Now this one will be 5 5s are 25, 25 into 20, 500 is equal to 4 r2 cube. Divide this with 4. 500 by 4 is equal to R2 cube. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. That means R2 cube is equal to 125. R2 is equal to cube the root of 125 can be written as 5 cube. Cube and cube the root will be cancelled. R2 is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the sphere is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, understand the problem carefully. Volume of a cone is equal to volume of a sphere. Equate those two values, you are going to get the radius. And you have one more OR question in this problem. A solid sphere of radius 3 centimeters, see this one, is melted and reformed by stretching it into a cylindrical shaped wire of length 9 meters. Find the radius of the wire. Here also same manner, but here solid is different. Volume of a sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is 1 and this is r2. You just write it. R1 cube is equal to volume of a cylinder pi r square h. R radius is 2 radius you have, right? R1 R2. This is R2 square h. And pi you can cancel. Here you have an unit centimeter and cylinder unit meter you have. So let us convert this centimeter into meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So this will be 3 centimeters will be converted as 3 by 100 meters. I just don't convert into decimal as it is right here. 4 by 3 into pi cancel. R1 value is 3 by 100 whole cube is equal to R2 square into 9. Now 4 by 3 into 3 by 100 into 3 by 100 into 3 by 100 into 1 by 9 is equal to R2 square. This 9 send other side denominator. Now this 3 will be cancelled. This 3 times 3 will be cancelled. You are left with 4 by 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 10 lakhs. 4 by 10 lakhs is equal to R2 square. R2, let me do this one here. R2 square. R2 is equal to square root of 4 by 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then this will be 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000. Then again write this as 0.002. Therefore, what is the radius? 0.002 meters. Therefore, radius of this cylinder is equal to 0.002 meters. Therefore, radius of the cylindrical wire is equal to 0.002 meters. With this, we end this main. Okay, these are all your fourth main answers. I have written shortcut. If you solve the paper, you can check your answers like this. Let's see fifth main. And your fifth main first problem is graphical problem. 34th problem number is 34. Find the solution of the following pair of linear equations by the graphical method. Your equations are 2x plus y is equal to 10 and x plus y is equal to 6. So your children, these equations you again rewrite in this way. Y is equal to 10 minus 2x and y is equal to 6 minus x. You take tabular column like this, x, y and your coordinate x comma y. X, y, x comma y. So observe these ratios 2 by 1, 1 by 1, where a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So immediately you can see that two pair of linear equations will be intersecting. How will be the graph? It will be intersecting. At which point it will intersect? You need to draw the graph. You can take any number in this table. But make sure if it is intersecting, that coordinate should be there on the graph. right? So how can we guess that number? So solve these two equations separately in rough paper. How we are going to solve? Let us subtract. Both are having same sign. Subtract y and minus y will be cancelled. 2x minus x will be x. 10 minus 6 will be 4. X is equal to 4. Then if x is equal to 4, y will be how much? 6 minus 4, y will be 2. Okay, I think the coordinate where it intersects in a graph, it will be 4, 2. So select x value 4 in middle of this table. You choose one number this side and another number this side. You can take any number 1, 4, 5, any numbers you can take. But make sure that xy coordinate should be there in your table. X value is 4, y value will be 2. And again same manner, proceed if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10 minus 2 into 0, 10 minus 0, y is equal to 10. Similarly, if you substitute 4, 10 minus 8 will be 2. If you substitute 5, 10 minus 10 will be 0. Your coordinates are 0, 10, 4, 2 and 5, 0. Similarly, if you take here 1, 6 minus 1, 5. If you take 4, 6 minus 4, 2. If you take 5, 6 minus 5, 1. And your coordinates are 1, 5, 4, 2, 5, 1. So in the same manner, you need to substitute all the values and fill the table. And last line, you need to end up with, therefore the two pair of linear equations are intersecting and your graph will be like this. So where it is intersecting? At 4 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. So you just show with the dotted lines. Therefore, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting at 4, 2, where x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. I just have given a rough idea, children. I didn't do properly here. Okay, if you need to score properly, do the scale, write the equation, draw the and mark the coordinates, x-axis, scale, write the scale here, everything neatly to score full mark. Okay, next one. 35th problem. An arithmetic progression consists of 37 terms, children. The sum of first 3 terms, 37 terms means A37, A1 to A37 there. First 3 terms sum, A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to 12. And sum of last 3 terms means A35, A36 plus A37 is equal to 318. That's all, no? There are 37 terms. First 3 terms, A1, A2, A3. Last 3 terms, A35, A36, A37. Now write this in general form. A plus D, A plus 2D is equal to 12. Add all A's. 3A plus 3D is equal to 12. Simplify this. A plus D is equal to 4. Mark it first equation. Take out 3 common. 12 by 3 will be 4. Next one, same manner. A plus 34D, A plus 35D, A plus 36D is equal to 318. Now add all A's. 3A. Now add this 15, 10, 105D is equal to 318. Can you take 3 common? Yes. A plus 35D is equal to 318. A plus 35D is equal to 106, not 16. And mark this as 2. Now solve these two equations. A plus D is equal to 4 and A plus 35D is equal to 106. Subtract. A cancel. A and minus A will be cancelled. 35D minus D will be 34D. 106 minus 4 will be 102. D is equal to 102 by 34. 34 3s are 102. Therefore, D is equal to 3. If D is 3, substitute here. A plus D is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 minus 3, A is equal to 1. Finished. Then what is your question? Find the first term and find the last term. First term is A1, that is A. First term is 1 and your last term A plus 36D is your last term. That will be A value is 1 and your D value is 3. Substitute. 36 3s are 108 plus 1 is equal to 109. Therefore, your last term is 109 and your first term is 1. 35, you have one more OR question. That is, the sum of first 7 terms of an arithmetic progression is 140. That will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 A6 plus A7 is equal to 140. And in the same manner, the sum of next 7 terms. What are the next 7 terms? A8 plus A9 plus A10 plus A11 plus A12 plus A13 plus A14 is equal to 385. Okay? Then find the arithmetic progression. Understand the problem carefully. The sum of first 7 terms of an arithmetic progression is 140. So write all the terms, 7 terms, 140. The next 7 terms, 385. Now write this in general form. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A5 means A plus 4D, plus A plus 5D, plus A plus 6D is equal to 140. Add all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7A. 7A plus 3D, 6D, 10D, 15, 21D is equal to 140. You can take out 7 common and divide with this. A plus 3D is equal to 20. Mark this first equation. Similarly, write this one, general form. A plus 7D, A plus 8D, A plus 9D, A plus 10D, A plus 11D, A plus 12D, A plus 13D is equal to 385. Add all these. 7A plus 7D plus 8D will be 15D, 24D, 34D, 45D, 57D, 70D is equal to 385. Take out 7 common. A plus 10D is equal to 385. A plus 10D is equal to 7 5s 555. Mark the second equation. Now solve these two equations. A plus 10D is equal to 55. A plus 3D is equal to 20. Subtract, cancel. 7D is equal to, this will be 55 minus 20 will be 35. D is equal to 5. This 5 substitute in first equation. A plus 5 3s are 15 equal to 20. A is equal to 20 minus 15, it will be 5. You know A and D. You can write the arithmetic progression. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. So now 5 plus 5 will be 10. 10 plus 5 will be 15. 20, so on is your arithmetic progression. Your 36th problem is a construction. Construct a triangle with sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay, it's very simple, children. Constructions will be uploaded in this description box. You can check over, and in that clearly explain how to draw the construction properly. How to draw these triangle constructions. Let me do the construction roughly with a free hand. 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm, draw a triangle. Okay, let me take base 6 centimeters. And from one point, 5 centimeters, draw an arc from another point, cut this arc with 4 centimeters. So look here carefully. This is 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. This is a rough figure. Please don't do with a free hand this construction. Okay, I am doing with a free hand. Now, which ratio we need to draw one more triangle? 5:3. See, which one is greater? 5 is greater. Okay, let me draw a ray. Draw a ray which is acute and mark 5 arcs from A, B, C. One of the same length, 2, 3, 4, 5. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. Now, what is the denominator? 3. At A3 point, join B. So, if your denominator is smaller than the numerator, your new triangle will be exterior triangle. Okay. Suppose if your denominator is greater than numerator, you are going to get a new triangle, interior the original triangle. Okay. So now denominator is small, you are going to get a exterior triangle. So that will be, let me extend the lines. Let me extend like this. Okay. And now from A5, draw an arc roughly. And now measure here, cut the arc with that measurement and try to join the line. And in here also same manner, draw an arc, measure, cut the arc with the same measurement, join. Now this will be C dash, this will be B dash. A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle in a ratio 5:3. Okay, therefore ABC is corresponding to A, B dash, C dash. Write construction steps and all carefully, children. Now let's move to the 37th problem. 37, and you have a figure. Let me try to draw the figure. Cylinder and hemisphere on one side and on other side closed with a cone. They have given, this is 10 centimeters and the slant height is 13 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter, I think. Okay, let's read the question. A toy is made in the shape of a cylinder with one hemisphere struck to one end and a cone to the other end, as shown in the figure. The length of the cylindrical part of the toy from here to here, length of the cylindrical part is 20 centimeters and its diameter is 10 centimeters. Okay, this diameter is 10, then what will be the radius? It will be 5 centimeters. Half of 10 is 5 centimeters. If the slant height of the cone is 13 centimeters, find the surface area of the toy. Understand the figure carefully. Surface area of the complete toy. So what all solids you can see? CSA of a hemisphere, CSA of a cylinder, CSA of a cone. So finally you can write here surface area of toy is equal to, I am writing all shortcuts, please write neatly. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of a cylinder plus CSA of cone. Write the formulas. CSA of a hemisphere will be 2 pi r square. CSA of a cylinder, it will be 2 pi RH. CSA of a cone, pi RL. And what all given for us? All the radius are same, common. No need of writing R1, R2, R3. Okay. They have given L is equal to, slant height L is equal to 13 centimeters. Radius is equal to 5 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is equal to 20 centimeter. Height we won't talk in any other solid, only in cylinder. So observe here, can you take out anything common? Yes, I can take out pi r common. Let's take out pi r common. You are left with 2r plus 2h plus L. Okay. Now substitute r, h and L. Pi, we know 22 by 7. R value is 5. 2 into 5 will be 10. H value is 20. 2 20s are 40. And your L value is 13. Okay. The 22 into 5, it will be 110 by 7 into, add all this, 50, 63, 7 9s are 63, 110 into 9, it will be 990 centimeter square is the surface area of the toy. See, if you have any problems like this in surface areas, understand the figure carefully. CSA of a hemisphere, CSA of a cylinder, CSA of a cone. Therefore, total surface area of this solid or total surface area of this toy is 990 centimeter square. With this, we end 4 marks questions. 4 marks questions carries 16 marks. And your last main is 6th main. Answer the following question. Only one question will be there. That too, you have a theorem in this. 38th question, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. See children, this theorem directly you can see chapter 2 triangles. This theorem is there in your textbook. You can look over there, or if you want my explanation, I am going to upload you triangles chapter link also in the description box. Okay, with this we are going to end our question paper, that is model paper number 1. If you want, you can download this question paper. This link I am going to provide in the description box. So in this question paper, I have solved each and every question, including OR question also I have solved. So in examination, select only one question out of 4 questions. We are going to meet in our next session with another new model question paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.